Hi guys, welcome to Home Sketch. Today we are going to see 2400 square feet east facing house plan inside this irregular plot. Actually this plot was not exactly rectangular shape. The south side is 73 feet, east side is 25 feet in front and 20 feet this side, but it is located 30 feet inside. West side 25 feet and 20 feet this side, but it is located 9 feet inside. North side is 34 feet. So this is the overall plot. The overall plot area is 2520 square feet. Inside this plot area, we planned 2400 square feet east facing house plan with 3 bedrooms. The site location is Haryana. The client requirement is 1 living, 1 drawing room, 1 storeroom, 1 kitchen, 1 dining, 3 bedrooms and 1 common toilet and inside the staircase and car parking. Okay, let's come into the video. Before enter the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's come. Okay, this is that overall house plan. Main gate will come in this place. In east side in front, we planned a car parking. That car parking size is 19 feet 6 inch by 22 feet 6 inch. In this place, we planned a 2 feet space for planting areas. In 2 steps up, we planned a 1 sitout area. That sitout measurement is 11 feet 6 inch by 4 feet 4 inch. Main door will come in this place. After enter the main door, in front we planned a drawing room. The drawing room size is 16 feet by 10 feet. In northeast corner, this place we planned a storeroom. That storeroom size is 9 feet 3 inch by 10 feet. In center of this house, we planned a living area. That living area size is 11 feet 6 inch by 17 feet. For your understanding, we provide a furniture's layout for all the rooms. For this place, TV unit will come and sofas will come this place. In north side, we planned 2 bedrooms. One bedroom will come this place and another bedroom will come this place. That bedroom one size is 11 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 6 inch. And another bedroom size is 11 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 2 inch. We provide a gallery for this bedroom. This looks like an closed balcony. That gallery size is 7 feet by 22 feet. And another bedroom will come in west side. That bedroom 3 size is 10 feet 10 inch by 13 feet 3 inch. For this bedroom, attached bathroom will come in this place. That attached toilet size is 6 feet by 8 feet 3 inch. In bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, we didn't plan any attached toilets. We provide a attached toilet for bedroom 3 only. So we planned a common toilet for this place. That common toilet size is 6 feet by 5 feet. And we planned a kitchen in southeast corner of that plot. That kitchen room size is 11 feet 3 inch by 16 feet. We provide a secondary door for this place. We can go inside the house by this door too. And near the kitchen, we planned a 1 small utility room for kitchen storage. That room size is 6 feet by 4 feet. In south side, we planned a dining room near the staircase. The dining room size is 11 feet 3 inch by 6 feet 8 inch. And we planned a staircase inside the house near the dining room. The staircase direction towards east to north. And southwest corner, this remaining space, we provide a open to sky area. You can use this place for gardening purpose. We provide a door here for going open to sky area. Okay, this is that overall house plan. The overall build-up area is 2400 square feet. So the approximate budget is 40 to 45 lakhs. Okay, your friends or relatives need this type of house plan, kindly share to them. Or if you need any type of other house plan, kindly contact us. Thanks for watching.